your teacher JoJo. Today we are going to learn the easy opposite words. They are very easy to learn, kids. Let's begin. Tall, tall boy. Short, short girl. He is a tall boy. She is a short girl. Fat, thin. He is a fat man. He is a thin man. Big, small. This is a big tree. This is a small tree. Front, back. This is girl's front. This is girl's back. Healthy, sick. This boy is healthy. Oh, this boy is sick. Strong, weak. This man is strong. Oh, this man is weak. Slow, fast. The turtle is slow. The rabbit is fast. Outside, inside. The cat is outside the box. The cat is inside the box. Happy, angry. This is a happy face. This is an angry face. Buy, sell. The man buys the grocery. This man sells the fruit. Less, more. There are less apples on the tree. There are more apples on the tree. Day, night. This is daytime. It is night time. Hot, cold. Today is very hot. Today is very cold. Thank you, kids. Keep reading with me and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye-bye.